Have you ever been driving down the street on a Saturday or a Sunday and you notice directional signs that read estate sale? Did you wonder, what is that? If you did, keep watching this video because I'm going to answer that question for you right now. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. Thanks for watching this video. On this program, we assist personal representatives and probate attorneys with real property that's in the probate process. So if you're new here and you're interested in this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. An estate sale is a liquidation method used to sell all of the personal property in a person's house. An estate sale normally occurs when someone passes away and the family members who inherited the property intend to sell all of the estate's personal property. In some cases, an estate sale occurs as a result of someone having to move quickly. For example, a job change, hospitalization or health issues, or possibly a divorce. Estate sales sometimes take place over several days in order to sell all of the personal property that's in the estate. Most estate sales are open to the public and are often listed in local newspapers and posted on local websites. Estate sales are also known as a tag sale because most of the personal property items that are listed for sale are valued and tagged with an asking price. Prior to conducting the estate sale, it is wise for family members to review all of the estate's personal property and set aside any items that they plan to keep and or claim. What kind of items can you find at an estate sale? Believe it or not, cars, home furnishings of all kinds, household items of all kinds, artwork, jewelry, antiques, power tools, hand tools, automotive parts, and more. How do you price estate sale items? Most personal representatives hire an estate sales company. The estate sale companies host, organize, and price estate sale personal property at market value. If you use an estate sale company, be sure they are licensed and bonded. And if I were you, I would get a referral in this particular case. What's the difference between an estate sale and a garage/yard sale? The garage/yard sale takes place in the garage and in the front yard. The estate sale takes place inside of the property. That's why it's called an estate sale. Question of the day: have you ever purchased something at an estate sale? If so, did you get a good price for it? Let me know in the comments below. Sometimes people confuse an estate sale with an auction sale. Both are liquidation methods. In an auction sale, an auctioneer auctions off each item to the highest bidder. In an estate sale, the items are tagged and sold on a first come, first served basis. Shoppers are allowed to walk through the house and to check out the merchandise at their leisure and pay for the products on their way out the door. If you've gotten value out of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments for me, my contact information is in the description. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. Thanks for watching. I'm Daryl Williams, and I'll see you in the next video.